Well, alright. Mr. Dojo TV here. And I'm just here to give you a little update on the fastest coin to mine and use coming soon. Coming very soon. Shinto coin. It's a new coin that I am developing right now, and it is on the brink of being ready for beta release. Very exciting, very exciting. So we're just gonna get stuck into a little demo of the progress that we've made thus far. So all right, so here's all my VS Code, and I gotta install a whole bunch of crap. Fine. Here's all the programming that we are using to create the app. For the coin, because before I was using Postman to interact with the API endpoints, but now it's been encapsulated into an app. Currently it's only for desktop on Linux. I'm currently working on getting it ready for mobile, and that should be within, if not this week, which is depending on when you're seeing this video, which is the week of December 25th, Christmas 2004. So if not this week, it'll be the next week when I have it when I will have it ready for mobile as well. So yeah, so be sure to look out for that. So join the Discord, because this coin is tapped into a Discord server, Shinto Discord server, where you will find a channel for it where you can read the white paper, as well as every transaction between wallets is going to not only be recorded on the Shinto coin blockchain, but it is also sent to one of the channels in Discord for everybody to be able to monitor and see. So this coin is integrated into Discord. Okay, so here's the Discord, and here are the transactions on the blockchain. The blockchain transaction. So every time there's a transaction, it shows up here. See, new transaction from wallet address to wallet address, and for the amount of 500. I also want to monitor the blockchain here. Localhost. I said localhost. Localhost. API blockchain. There it is. All right. So right now we have a fresh blockchain. Okay. So here's the blockchain on. I'm viewing this on Firefox because it looks better than on Edge. So right now we have a fresh blockchain right here. Okay. So let's get these coins. Let me just get Shinto in the background. Okay. So now, so I have two separate accounts that I've already registered, and I'm going to sign into them right now. Damn it, what was it? And then the password, which I will not be showing. Okay, so here's my wallet dashboard, wallet address, the wallet ID. So the wallet ID is essentially what the wallet address should be. I'm actually gonna switch those around because it's just the wallet ID is the wallet address, the address that you send to. So I don't want to call it wallet ID. I want it to be the wallet address. But anyway, so the wallet ID is what you use to send between wallets, and here is the balance. Currently, every wallet that is created will have a certain amount of Shinto, SHN, in it automatically upon creation. So the plan is that no wallets come into existence without an initial balance. That's one feature of Shinto that I am planning to roll out. So I'm not sure that it's going to be 5,000, but this is just what I'm doing for testing purposes. So 5,000 SHN to start out with. New wallet, fresh wallet, and I'm going to sign it to the other one. whoops, at gmail.com. Password once again. Okay, boom. So here's the other wallet and the other wallet ID. So we're sending between these two. Okay. So which one are we gonna do? Let's send to this one. So I have conveniently placed a copy to clipboard for the wallet ID. So all we had to do is copy that receiver wallet ID, paste it in here, boom. How much are we gonna send? Like I don't know, 500. Let's do 500. Transaction successful, added to the blockchain. Okay, so and now it's been deducted, as you can see from here, 4,500 there. And to view it on the receiver's end, just refresh the wallet and there it is, 5,500 right in the wallet. Okay, and this should be printing out the Discord, but it's not right now because I restarted the blockchain. So the next one is going to pop up on Discord. So I don't know, listen the remaining 500 to get 4,000 even. So 500 again. I'm gonna send to the same wallet. Send to this one, and boom, see, popped up on Discord. Discord transaction, right there. Boom. New transaction from to in the amount of 500 Shinto. Excellent. Okay. Now let's just send it back. All right, so what we're going to do is send SHN, send Shinto, and then we're going to copy this wallet and we're just going to send the thou all at once. Whoops, didn't paste the wallet. So we're sending 1,000, wallet ID, send, been deducted here, posted on Discord. 4,000 there, refresh, we're back at 5,000 each. All right, so that was, and let me just show you the Discord again. Where did Discord go? Yep, so there's the other transaction, 1,000 sent back. Okay, so there's that, and let's check out the blockchain. So right now this is the initial block that has nothing there, and now we're going to refresh it. And there are the transactions that we just did. 500, 500, then 1,000 back. So there's the blockchain. Those are the transactions. So yeah. So that is the update on the big update on Shinto, which is, it's right on the precipice of being released. It's right about to be released for beta release. So be sure to join that Discord. Let's get this community started. We're gonna get this coin up and popping, because it is big news for humanity, because my plan is to have this coin be what Bitcoin and a few other coins were supposed to be. It's the name of the game is accessibility for as many people as possible. So let's get this thing rolling out. Join that Discord, follow that link in the description of the video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.